Okay, so here I am on Swagbucks, and this is the offer for Lucky Bingo Lucky game, whatever it's called. And it says 9,400 Swagbucks, which is $94. But some of them are requiring you to buy stuff, but you can buy them, you'll get your money back. So it's about $60 profit, which is really good. And but there's also a bonus for this game if you go up to the swag ups. Yours might be different, but mine I have a $50 bonus for if you complete that one, and so it's a really good offer. So you can get over $100 profit on this game, and I think it's pretty easy with my strategy. And I'll show you my strategy next. Okay, so this game is called Bingo Lucky Game, and it's on free cash. It's on Swagbucks, and you can get a lot of money on Swagbucks. You can get like over $100 because there's some swag up bonus. And so this game, it's kind of hard if you're not playing it right. I've seen a lot of people online say like you do play the slots, and this is it's like don't play the slots. It's like super slow. You're not gonna level up fast, so you can do it, but I don't think it's the right way to play this game. In the beginning, when on like the first day you install it, you're gonna level up really fast. You're gonna get like to level 30 or 40 in one day, but then you're gonna start running out of coins if you're not playing the right game. And so you're gonna want to join your club and stuff. You get some free coins for that, and I wouldn't even do the daily tasks, to be honest. You can just skip them and just play. The one I like is Infinity Bingo. There might be other games like that, but Infinity Bingo is the best one, and I'll tell you why. So you want to bet not the first, not the first level here, not the second level, but you want to bet until you see this. You want this much, this free flashlight power up thing. So that's going to tell you what numbers to pick and makes it a lot easier. You can do it without it, but I think it's easier. So you can just save up with your daily club or task or the free coins you get every day until you can bet this much. So play this game. And so, okay, so the reason why it's good is because, so here I'm betting 8 cards, 250 coins per card. And you can see here, if I get more than 4 bingos, I get 2,500 back. And there's 8 cards, so you can win a lot of coins here. And so the way you play this game is you want to hit 3 numbers, and whenever you hit a number, your power up bar over here increases by 1. You need 3 to get the power up, and you're trying to get as many power ups as you can in the round. And so I hit 3 already. When it goes back down to 0, when you see it pop up with this power ups text, that's when you can start hitting the numbers again. So now I hit more numbers. Hopefully I can get a good round on the video. So now I'm waiting, and if you see a bingo pop up, I would just go ahead and grab it. Or if you see like, here the board's pretty full, which you want to fill it out kind of, because you want your power up to, if you get the free space, you want it to fill up the empty spaces and give you more bingos. So yeah, this isn't very good round, but we'll see. Usually you can get your money back pretty easy, at least. So that's good. Okay, so now I got this fast power up, and so that's the best one. That's the one you really want. And once you get that, you're probably gonna have a good round. It's better to get it earlier in the round, obviously, so you can get more power ups. But we'll see how I do here. It says it's asking me if I want to add 3 extra balls, so you always add the extra balls. And now it's asking me if I want to add 3 extra balls, and yeah, I'll add the three. Always add the extra balls here. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Okay, add the extra balls. So now the game's over, but now just go through and try to click all the numbers in case you missed any. And let's see how. Try to go fast. Okay. So I clicked all the numbers, and this round wasn't that good. It was an okay round, but I still made money. But you can like win like 10,000 coins in a round pretty easy. I'll try to get one on camera here. Uh, yeah, you can just skip to the end and see how many I win, but that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'll do another round just to see how many I can get. Yeah, once you get a lot of coins, you can pretty much do anything you want. You're gonna win. You're gonna get to level 70 pretty easy. And yeah, so this game I think it's pretty easy. So this round's probably gonna be good because I got that fast power up thing first, and so now I'm gonna get a ton of power ups. Probably gonna get like 3 or 4 multiple bingos at least. Yeah, and so I think yeah, that's about it. You can just watch me play this round. If you haven't signed up for Swagbucks or Free Cash yet, you can sign up with my links in the description, and that's it. So yeah, check out this round and have a good one. Okay, if you're still watching here, I had a pretty okay round, but you can win a lot more even. So, I spent like 5,000 coins and I got, you know, over 11,000 here. And so that's what you want to keep doing. Just do that and you can, every round gives you a lot of XP and you can go even play slots now because you can convert your coins to slot coins. So you can pretty much, once you get a lot of coins, you do whatever you want and you're going to get to level 70 pretty easy. So yeah, that's it. I'll check it and see you next time.